Do you know what happens to the body when it drinks a bottle of alcohol? This video will take you through the process of alcohol absorption in the body, and after watching it you may never want to drink again. When you take the first sip of alcohol in an excited environment, it goes down the esophagus into the stomach and does not need to be digested before it passes directly through the gastric mucosa and enters your bloodstream, which then stimulates your brain. At this point the brain's inhibitions are turned off and your self-control begins to diminish. After 10 minutes of drinking, more alcohol begins to enter your bloodstream and spreads throughout your body, accompanied by a gradual increase in your heart rate. After 30 minutes of drinking, your blood vessels will also slowly dilate under the effect of alcohol and it will cause your body to appear hot and sweaty. At the same time the stomach also secretes a lot of digestive juices stimulated by alcohol, and these piled up digestive juices begin to churn up the esophagus and cause a burning sensation in your stomach. However, the stomach only absorbs 20% of the alcohol and the remaining 80% goes to the intestines. After an hour of drinking, the alcohol that enters your intestines is rapidly absorbed, and at this moment the alcohol level in your body will also peak, and the brain begins to release large amounts of adrenaline and cortisol, which will make you more excited and reckless. At the same time, the dopamine released by the reward center puts you in a kind of fairy-like happiness, but alcohol has silently occupied every corner of your body. They rely on their own fat solubility to break through the cell membrane composed of phospholipids, and wreak havoc in your body. After a while, 10% of the alcohol will be accompanied by respiration and perspiration out of the body, and the remaining 90% will be in the liver to wait for the decomposition. The body relies on the enzyme ethanol dehydrogenase to break down alcohol. However, most people only have a small amount of the enzyme acetaldehyde dehydrogenase, which is not enough to break down the intermediate product acetaldehyde into acetic acid, which results in a large amount of harmful acetaldehyde remaining in the body. At this stage you will soon experience symptoms such as nausea, headache, redness of the face, etc. The worst thing is that the retained acetaldehyde will follow the cell membranes damaged by alcohol to enter the cells, destroying the genes in the nucleus of the cells, causing you to leave a permanent danger, and in serious cases it may lead to cancerous changes. 2 hours after drinking, along with the dilation of blood vessels, the heat in your body will slowly cool down, when your body will feel cold. And your stomach, in order to get rid of alcohol, will continue to secrete gastric acid, resulting in nausea and vomiting, and eventually you successfully reach the purpose of vomiting up and urinating down. Is this the situation you want?